In this video, I'll show you how you can convert an MOV file here to an MP4 file for free on Windows. So to do this, open up a web browser and then search for VLC Media Player. This is a free media player which can also convert files. So you need to go to their official website, which is videolan.org. So open up their website after searching for VLC Media Player, then click download VLC. And then the installation wizard should download. So depending on what browser you're using, it will go into the download section, or you should be able to see it up here. Go ahead and run the installation wizard. It will look something like this, and you can just choose your language, click OK, click next through this, and then click on install. It's a very simple install, and it will take around 30 seconds. Now it will give you the option to check run VLC Media Player. If you have it checked and click finish, it will open. Now we've got VLC Media Player open. If you go to Media in the top left hand corner, you can then go convert/save. Then you can go ahead and choose the file you want to convert. So click add, then find the file. So mine is on my desktop. We can then click open. Now if we go to convert/save, we can then go to convert here, and you can change the profile to video/h.264 plus MP4. This is going to export it as an MP4 file. Then choose your destination file by going to browse. I'm just going to save mine to my desktop and I'll call the file done. Now what I would do is type .mp4 at the end just to make sure. You should have save as type and that should say MP4 as well, so click save. Now if you go to this button next to your profile, this one all the way to the right, you can then go to audio codec, click on audio and then click keep original audio track. Then click create. Make sure you set a profile name. I'll just call this audio. Now if we click on start, it should now convert this to a MP4. And here you can see the video has appeared. It's called done. Now if we right click on it and go to properties, as you can see, this is an MP4 file and that has been converted.